Hello friends. So in this video I'm going to talk about the IPO which is going to be introduced in the upcoming market, and in this video I'm going to give you the detail about the company and also going to show you the balance sheet of the company, because balance sheet tells a lot that whether you should apply for that IPO or not, and also going to tell you about the most important thing, the GMP of the IPO. So without any wasting further time, let's move to the topic. So right now here you can see the company which I'm talking about is known as the EMS. So EMS is the company which was established in the year 2012, and EMS is a company which is like mainly engaged in the business of providing water, wastewater collection, treatment and disposal services. The company provides a sewage solution, water supply system, water and waste treatment plants, electrical transition and distribution, road and allied work, etc. So, the EMS Limited has its own civil construction team and employs over 57 engineers supported by the third party consultants and the industry experts. So, this is the mainly about the company preview of the company. And the further slides, I'm going to show you the balance sheet, that the same number, which I'm going to explain in a much better way. So, let's move further. So right now here you can see the IPO detail about the company. So this IPO is going to be the offer date of this IPO is going to be between from 8th of September to 12th of September, and the face value of this stock is going to be the 10 rupees per share, and the issue price is going to between from 200 rupees to sorry 211 per share rupees, and the lot size is going to be 70 shares. So there are going to be 70 shares in one lot, and the stock is going to be listed in both NSE and BSE. So let's move further. So right now here you can see the timetable of the IPO. So the offer date, the opening date is going to be the 8th of September. Closing date is going to be the 12th of September. Basis of allotment is going to be on Friday, September 15. Initiation of refund is going to be on Monday, September 18. Credit of shares to the demat is going to be on Wednesday, September 20. And the listing date is going to be on Thursday, September 21st. So the stock is going to be listed on the BSE and NSE on the 21st September, Thursday 2023. So let's move further. So right now here you can see the lot size detail. So the minimum lot that retailer can buy is one lot, and the maximum is going to be 13 lots. In one lot there are going to be 70 shares, and in 13 lots there are going to be 910 shares. Amount of 70 shares is going to be almost around 14,770 rupees, and the amount of 910 shares is going to be around 1,29,000. Sorry, 1,92,010 rupees. So this is about the lot size detail. So now moving further, here you can see the EMS IPO reservation. So the QIB has shared offered almost around not more than 50% of the net offer, and NNI not less than 15% of the offer, and retailer shares offered not less than 35% percent of the offer. So now moving further, you can see the EMS IPO promoters holding. So the Mr. Ramveer Singh and the Mr. Ashish Tomar as the company's promoter, and the pre-shareholding is going to be around 96.71%, and the post-shareholding is still not yet announced by the company. Moving further, you can see the most important thing is the balance sheet. So, if we analyze the balance sheet, the company performance year on year from 2022 to 2023, so their asset has grown tremendously year on year. For example, these numbers are in all crores. So, for example, in the year of 2020, their overall assets was almost around 308 crores, and now their overall asset is around almost around 638 crores, so almost the double of their initial assets that they have in 2020. And if we talk about the revenue, so there is a growth in their revenue too, and same goes with their profit after tax, and the same goes with their net worth, and same goes with their reserves and surplus. And if I talk about the total borrowing, so yeah, if you compare the total borrowing of 2020 to 2021, and there is a like decrease in that, it's a very good thing that company is trying to be debt free as soon as possible. After that, their total borrowing was same as 3 crores around, but in 2023 the total borrowing jumped to 45 crores. But still the company performance also have like tremendous growth in that. So total only saying the total borrowing is not a good thing, because you should also take the profits and these numbers in consideration while taking the total borrowing also in consideration. So there is in growth overall. The conclusion is that there is in growth in overall balance sheet of the company. If you compare it year on year, so company investable, you can invest in this company. You can also see further, you can also expect some further profit in upcoming years for the company. So the company may do some wonderful performance, may bring some wonderful numbers to their promoters, to their shareholders. So that was all about the balance sheet. Now moving further, the most important thing is the GMP. So GMP of this EMS IPO is going to be almost around 59%. So 59% is lot. You're almost getting the half of your initial amount that you have invested, and obviously 59% is it means that you're going to get 211 rupees on per stock, and this is the issue price of the stock. So GMP is the 59% is pretty good, so you can invest in this company. And I have already shown you about the company and about the balance sheet of the company. So they have done a tremendous work year on year, and I think they are going to be do some much more hard work in upcoming years, so they can bring some better numbers to their promoters, to their shareholders. So that was all about today's video. Thank you.